Here is the very first look at BridgeMe. Our current capability is limited to what is shown in our first tutorial. We will be rapidly developing all the other features. Ours is a conversational system. Most features are invoked in a conversation. So let's create a conversation. So this is the conversation ID, and here we'll type a person is eating an apple. We can now ask a couple of questions. What did a person eat? Or who ate an apple? Even this very limited capability can be used in many applications where we are just recording data in the field. This interaction can be had within the add-in as shown here and from a mobile app too. Next, we'll demonstrate how to map columns here from a spreadsheet and ask questions about the data. Let's say we have two columns, an eater and the food eaten. We will map a template sentence. A person is eating a fruit, like so. Note the template sentence doesn't have to match the column names. Now we'll map the phrase fruit with the food and eater with person. And that's it. We'll apply the data and we are ready to start asking questions. Who ate a mango? The teacher. What did a student eat? An orange. Every English sentence is a schema for us. This is very powerful. We can query data from spreadsheets, databases, and REST JSON APIs just using English.